Vermeer was founded by Gary Vermeer and since 1948 has been manufacturing machinery. 6 decades on, and the company is credited with developing many world firsts, including the first hay baler, tree spade and stump grinder. Backed by over 2,000 manufacturing staff on over 500,000 square metres of production facility, Vermeer's passion is for manufacturing truly exceptional machinery, a Vermeer machine. Your Vermeer machine is designed with the operator in mind, and safety is always paramount. The compact utility loader is a versatile and labour-saving machine that will execute a wide range of jobs, whilst keeping the operator and machine safe from harm. The S600TX features an operator platform that protects the pilot, dual joysticks designed for safety, and a loader arm that protects the unit. Your Vermeer is built to get the job done with efficiency, power and safety.
The Vermeer mini loader, more than just a loader, it's actually a digger. It has the power, the weight and the traction to get the job done. In regard to the operation of the machine, it is fitted with 3 safety devices. The first device being in the foot plate. Unless you are standing on the machine will not operate. The second device for safety being in the auxiliary lever. If the auxiliary lever is in position as if it's trying to work an attachment, the machine will not operate. The third safety device is in the form of a brake. So if you do hop off the machine, you are on a slope, the brake will lock in between 2 of the teeth of the drive sprocket, and so the machine won't roll anywhere. The red bar in here is your safety lock. You lift the arms right up, the safety ram lock goes into position. You can work safely underneath the machine. The machine is designed around safety features. For the operator's comfort, there is a padded section. His legs are safely enclosed within the compartment. The padded section also reduces fatigue, as do the joystick levers.
Stand tall and ride with comfort on the S600TX's dedicated ride-on platform with spring cushioning. The platform allows for greater visibility to the attachment and bucket edge compared to walk-behind units. Operator fatigue is also decreased due to the amount of time spent walking over the course of a project. The spring cushion platform is 37 centimetres high, providing sufficient ground clearance to back up over curbs while enhancing visibility to the attachment. This powerful machine has 2 engine options, including a 25 horsepower Kohler Command petrol engine or a 26.3 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. Take control. The S600TX has 2 single joystick controls, which steer the machine and operate boom bucket motion. The joysticks can be easily operated whilst holding onto the handle grip bar, which helps to ensure stability and the balance of the operator whilst manoeuvring the unit at speed or in difficult worksite conditions. The other benefit of Vermeer's design is that one joystick is responsible for managing the entire ground drive.
The operation of the machine is simply operated with the 2 joystick levers. The black lever being for the drive, the green one being the control of the arms.
My name's Philip Gubb and my company is Bombardieri Mini Excavations. So you only have one control for the movement of the machine. I found it quite easy to manoeuvre and operate.
Flex your arm muscles like never before, as the S600TX has curved loader arms that lift up and away from the machine to provide better height and reach for loading and unloading, even if it's dumping a bucket towards the centre of a 4-tonne truck. The height of the arms, when fully extended, reaches 203 centimetres to the hinge pin.
Yeah, David Smith. I work for Turfco. We do a lot of commercial and residential construction maintenance. We've actually just finished a job at Myanbar Wetlands where we've probably done in the vicinity of about 6 kilometres worth of trenching through fairly harsh ground, a lot of rocks and differing material with sand and heavy clays. It performed faultlessly the whole time. What we've got now is a machine that is basically a big machine in a little body.
Make fewer pit stops and skip the grease men. Let's talk fluids. At 60 litres, the Vermeer has the largest dual fuel tank capacity in its class, eliminating the need for refuelling on most workdays. The 53-litre hydraulic tank is also the largest in its class, enhancing the operating life of the hydrostatic system.
The machine is fitted up with 2 fuel tanks, self-compensating, which would be equivalent to a minimum of 2 days' work, hence you don't have to refuel daily.
This innovative unit also features sealed bearings, resulting in less maintenance, as greasable bearings may be prone to failure. Obtain easy access to all areas of the machine. The S600TX is very easy to maintain and service by its owners, saving on costly maintenance contracts and repair bills.
I've been able to keep working because of the tracks in wet conditions and sandy conditions where the wheeled machines are usually parked up at home.
Get on track with Vermeer. Rubberised tracks ensure damage to the grounds you're working on is minimised. And of course, the advantages of tracks over wheeled units is well known. The Vermeer goes where others cannot. Vermeer customers have the option to choose between 7-inch and 9-inch puncture-proof tracks. That means you can get the job done if you're faced with sandy, muddy or otherwise difficult terrain.
I'm Jonathan Scully from Turfco Australia. With the introduction of the S600TX as part of the company fleet, we've been able to get into a lot more domestic backyards with the smaller housing sites that people have built over the past 10 years. We're now able to get in where they've closed off access to larger machinery. We've been able to put that machine in there and do a whole lawn refurbishment for them.
The unit itself is under 91 centimetres wide, so gaining access to narrow areas such as suburban backyards is no problem.
The other aspect that we like with the Vermeer S600 is that its compact size enables us to get into areas that aren't as easily accessible by other machines. It gives us more versatility when we're doing small backyards, and we can use the same machine there that we use on a golf course. The performance is just as good as some of the larger machines. We've got everything we need in the one machine. We just bring a trailer load full of attachments and we can do anything.
Plug it in. Whether it's a temporary light kit for finishing off big jobs or an attachment that requires power, plug it in to the auxiliary 12-volt power point. Hook it up. A universal mounting plate makes it easier for the operator to hook up various attachments. And with 49.2 litre per minute of hydraulic flow, Vermeer offers more power, efficiency and versatility. The range of attachments that'll work with your machine is vast. Both Vermeer and competitor attachments fit the mounting plate, which means your Vermeer will always get the job done.
So hand in hand with the S600, the exponential growth within our company has been enormous, and things for the future only look brighter.
The S600TX dedicated track mini digger, manufactured and backed by Vermeer, is stronger, safer and more reliable. It's a multi-purpose workhorse.